Hey guys, it's Will from Jordan Bikes, and today I've got to sell this Yamaha XT660R. Fabulous bikes for green laning, really are nice. Bit of off-road, on-road, fabulous. This one, guys, is a 2010 on a template, 1771 miles, super clean, really nice. Finished off in the standard Yamaha blue. Right, Bobby Dazzler. Comes with the Givi top box. So you can take that off. It's a little bit more off-roady, but stick a helmet in there and you'll be fabulous. Quick turn up. Cracking twin exhaust on these ones as well. Really nice, like I say, fabulous for off-road, or even just pop into the chip shop. Guys, you've seen this lovely bike. See me? Get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, or just give us a call. Cheers.